Ever wondered about the challenges of managing the lifecycle of applications in today's complex IT environments? Well, it's a task that requires careful coordination and meticulous attention to detail. Application Lifecycle Management, or ALM, is a crucial process in the IT world. It encompasses the entire journey of an application, from its initial concept and design through to its development, testing, deployment, and finally, its ongoing maintenance and eventual retirement. However, ALM is not without its hurdles. IT professionals face a myriad of challenges, such as managing different environments, coordinating teams, maintaining version control, and ensuring consistent quality. Each of these elements requires a keen understanding of the application, as well as the ability to adapt to changing circumstances and requirements. So, how can we overcome these challenges? The solution lies in a platform called Kubernetes. This powerful tool provides the robust, flexible framework needed to streamline application lifecycle management effectively. Stay tuned to learn more about it. Imagine a platform that simplifies application lifecycle management. That's Kubernetes for you. Born out of Google's decade-long experience of running production workloads, Kubernetes has quickly become the go-to open-source platform for automating deployment, scaling, and managing containerized applications. But what is it that makes Kubernetes special? Well, it offers features like automated rollouts and rollbacks. This means Kubernetes can manage your updates and version control, reducing the risk of system failure. Then, there's service discovery and load balancing. Kubernetes can distribute network traffic to keep your deployment stable. And let's not forget about secret and configuration management. Kubernetes can manage sensitive information like passwords, OAuth tokens, and SEC keys. It can also handle environment-specific configurations without rebuilding your container images. These features and more make Kubernetes not just a tool, but a powerful ally in application lifecycle management. These features make Kubernetes a game changer in application lifecycle management. Now, let's delve into how Kubernetes revolutionizes application lifecycle management. Kubernetes, the open-source platform designed by Google, has undeniably transformed the world of application lifecycle management, or ALM. Understanding how it does so requires us to unpack the various stages of ALM and see how Kubernetes aids each one. Firstly, in the development phase, Kubernetes provides a consistent environment across all development stages, thereby eliminating the infamous "it works on my machine" issue. This uniformity allows developers to work seamlessly, knowing that the application will behave the same way in every environment. Moving on to testing, Kubernetes supports a high degree of automation, which is crucial for implementing continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines. Automated tests can be run in isolated, replicable environments, ensuring that the software is ready for deployment at any time. It's like having your very own quality assurance team working around the clock. Next, we have deployment. Kubernetes shines here with its rolling updates and rollback features. With rolling updates, you can deploy a new version of the application without downtime. If something goes wrong, Kubernetes' rollback feature allows you to revert to the previous stable version effortlessly. This feature ensures your application is always available to end users, thereby enhancing user experience. Lastly, in the maintenance phase, Kubernetes helps manage and scale your applications based on the traffic load. It can automatically scale up to handle peak loads and scale down during low traffic periods, ensuring optimal resource usage. Moreover, Kubernetes also facilitates team coordination by allowing different teams to work on separate microservices within the same application, fostering a more collaborative environment. But that's not all. Kubernetes also handles version control and environment management, making it easier for teams to manage and coordinate their efforts. It's like having a dedicated project manager who ensures everything runs smoothly. Kubernetes not only simplifies ALM, but also makes it more efficient and reliable. With Kubernetes, the complexities of application lifecycle management are a thing of the past, replaced by streamlined processes and a focus on continuous improvement. So, what have we learned about Kubernetes and application lifecycle management? Well, we've unpacked quite a bit. We've introduced application lifecycle management, or AM, and how it's a crucial part of software development. We've dived into Kubernetes, a powerful tool that helps manage containerized applications. We've also explored how Kubernetes and ALM intersect. Kubernetes enhances ALM, providing increased efficiency, better coordination, improved reliability, and simplified management. By containerizing applications, Kubernetes ensures a consistent environment from development to production, resulting in fewer bugs and quicker deployment times. Moreover, Kubernetes' ability to automatically manage, scale, and deploy applications takes a load off your shoulders. It's like having a dedicated team working round the clock to ensure your applications are running smoothly. In short, Kubernetes brings a new level of sophistication to ALM, making it more streamlined, reliable, and efficient than ever before. With Kubernetes, the future of application lifecycle management looks promising indeed.